Oh, you just bought it? Okay. You got all the stuff with it?
Huh?
You got all the stuff with it?
Yep.
Okay. Can I see it?
Yep.
It's not hot or nothing, is it?
No.
Okay.
I actually bought it off of calling to a police officer.
Oh, no kidding?
Yeah.
Well, I hope it's in good shape then, or he didn't just drive the wheels off of it.
Well, it needs some work.
January 213, 10%. What's your name?
Kendall Chapman.
Kendall. Is that, how do you spell that?
Kendall.
And Chapman?
Chapman.
M-A-N?
Yes, ma'am.
What's your date of birth?
August 14th of 91.
What's today? The 13th? Tomorrow? How old does that make you?
Shit, old enough.
Old enough?
Yeah.
What's your social, Kendall?
I don't give out my social. I've had it. People give me for my,
You being honest about your name though, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. If you want to roll your windows up now, that's fine. Yep.
What y'all been doing today?
Huh?
How y'all today?
Oh, pretty good. You got something on you, man?
Huh?
You got something on you?
No.
Okay. You're acting real defensive and real nervous. That's why I'm asking.
I just went and got food, and I was trying to go and eat. We just went. I just went to Brahms and got the pickup.
Oh, okay, I got you.
It was just sweat in my eyes from the rain, from washing it down.
Okay. What's your middle name?
Bryce.
Bryce.
Yes.
What would be the one of the addresses that we had for you in Broken Arrow?
Broken Arrow?
None.
None.
Hmm.
Never lived in Broken Arrow.
Would you ever have given that address for something?
Nope.
Okay. What's the address on your ID?
I just moved from there. It's, I'm having a brain fart. Texas. Hold on. I'm sorry. It's, Army base down there.
Okay. Which base?
Fuck. It's down there by the border.
Okay.
I'm having a brain fart.
So you gave an address for an Army base, but you don't know which base it was or what it was even called?
Just give me a second. It's God dang. Wow, I'm having a fucking.
Here, hop back out for me.
Okay.
No, just hop out for me.
Can I get the window?
I'll get it. I'll get it. I promise, I'll get it. Hop out for me. Hey man, I'm just gonna hang on to you for just a second. Just step right here for me. Don't reach for anything.
Whoa.
Don't reach for anything.
Don't
reach for anything.
You're a motherfucker. Stop.
Don't reach for anything.
I got a gun.
I got a gun. Don't fucking.
I got a gun.
Look, she will fucking shoot you in the head.
I want to shoot myself.
She will shoot you in the head.
I want to shoot myself. I'm best.
Henry 213, we have a suspect down here with a gun.
Get off me.
We need backers. We need backers
Hold
immediately.
your head.
Did you just...
No. It's my foot.
Relax.
I'm going to kill myself.
We have shots fired